Okay, so now that I've got my tags firing and I'm kind of happy with those, what I need to do next is obviously I need to build goals in Google Analytics so that I can actually track the events that those tags were kind of built around. So um, obviously I'm going to go to Google Analytics, but I'm not going to make it in the master account because when I'm making goals in GA, I'm going to make things in my test view first. And the reason for that is that I don't want to kind of mess up any data that I may have had by kind of falsely implementing a goal that either fires too much or doesn't fire properly. So I definitely want to make a goal in the test view first to check that it's functioning. And if it works as I expected, then I can definitely copy that across to the main view. So what I do is I go to the admin section, which is also like a cog. And I can just go in the view, I can go to the goals section, and I am going to make a new goal. So when I make a new goal, you get these template options. I'm not really a fan of those. So I always go for the custom goal because it allows you to kind of be a bit more technical. So I'm going to call this contact form click. It's going to be my first one, and it's an event. And you'll notice that these categories and actions are the same as the ones we saw in Tag Manager. So I actually need to make sure that those are exactly the same. So if I go back to the tags, and I find my contact form tag, I can get category as contact. And I'm just going to copy and paste these because it means there's less space for error. So my category is going to be contact, and the action is going to be click for this goal. And I'm going to save that. And I'm also going to make the goal for the other tag that I made, which again is going to be my custom goal. And I'm going to call this my Insta Click goal, which again is going to be an event. And I'm just going to make sure I get the exact parameters from Tag Manager, which was Insta and Click. So I'm just copying and pasting these using Command C and Command V, or if you're on PC, Control C and Control V. And I'm going to save that. So now I've got those two goals built. I need to track that I need to make sure they're actually firing when stuff happens. So the best way to do that is in the real-time view. So if I go to the conversions bit of real-time, I can see that there's one person active on the site. That's me. So I need to do some things to check that they're actually, that the goals are firing. So I'm going to go to my contact page first. Gonna put in some details again, and whatever, some message, and submit that. And I can see that the tag is fired in Tag Manager, but what I'm trying to check is, did the tag fire in Google Analytics? And I can see this bar, and contact form click now has one goal that's happened. So that's cool. Happy with that. Now I just need to check really that my Instagram one is going to fire. So that's just down here. So let's click on my Instagram button. If I go back, I can see that it's fired on Tag Manager, and got this other bar here, and InstaClick has also appeared there. So that's really good. So I know that my tags are firing from using Tag Manager, and I can see that those goals are actually being tracked correctly using the real-time conversions view in Google Analytics. So now that I'm happy with those, I can go back to Tag Manager. I'm happy that all my tags are functioning correctly, tracking through GA. So in that case, I can submit, and I'm going to say that I added, what do I add? GA page view. I added the contact click, tag and the Instaclick tag, and publish those. Okay, and then if I want to go back to my workspace, I can just click workspace. I'm back in this bit, and I can leave preview mode because it's kind of annoying. And everything should be running as I intended. The goals are tracking, the clicks are being tagged. I'm happy, so we're done.